Check it out, guys. 1972 Ford Bronco. And then it's $110,000. There's some info for you. It's here in Georgia, if anybody's interested. $110,000. I really don't understand the prices on these older Ford Broncos. Not that it ain't nice or anything, it's a beautiful truck, but I guess it's the rarity now. I love the back end of this here, beautiful top on it. Nice wheels. Don't get me wrong, it's a gorgeous truck, I love it. Not for $110,000. I mean, it's been restored and everything, I understand that. I'm guessing this back section may be removable. Not sure. Look at this. Look at the underside of this truck, guys. How clean it is. Suspension-wise, it's beautiful. Man, $110,000. I just can't see it. I could see maybe like 60, 70,000, possibly 80, maybe, but not 110. But these people, when they bring the cars in here, they overprice them, a lot of them. Then they'll drop the price when nobody buys it. And a lot of them, you know, they get lucky. Hopefully somebody will buy it at their price. Then after these cars are sitting here for a couple months, then they'll lower the price. But yeah, it's a nice car, nice truck. 72 Ford Bronco. 1972, when this truck came out brand new back then, it would probably cost a couple $1,000. Maybe probably like $3 grand, $4 grand for this truck back in 72. Somebody put a lot of work in it, that's for sure. I think it was done recently too, because I can smell the interior. It's like, it smells fresh in there, like brand new. Anyway, guys, there you go, another video for you. Subscribe to the channel. I need subscribers, greatly appreciated. Leave your comments down below, like the video, and we'll catch you in the next one. Drive safe.